Honda has officially launched the all-new CB400 Super 4 in Japan, reviving one of its most iconic motorcycle nameplates with a fresh blend of classic styling, high-revving inline 4 performance, and modern technology. The latest generation retains the character that made the Super 4 a favorite among enthusiasts, while introducing a host of electronic rider aids and premium components that bring it in line with today's middleweight motorcycles. At the heart of the new CB400 is a 399cc liquid-cooled inline 4-cylinder engine that produces around 58 horsepower at 11,500 RPM and 38 Newton-meters of torque at 9,750 RPM. Staying true to its heritage, the engine is designed to deliver smooth, linear power and an exhilarating top-end rush, accompanied by the signature exhaust note that inline 4 motorcycles are known for. Honda has also equipped the motorcycle with a ride-by-wire throttle, enabling more precise throttle response and seamless operation of its electronic rider assistance systems. Another highlight is the company's e-clutch system, which allows riders to shift gears without using the clutch lever, while still retaining the option of manual clutch operation whenever desired. The motorcycle is built around a steel frame paired with a cast aluminum swingarm, providing a balance of rigidity and agility. Suspension duties are handled by KYB with 41mm upside-down front forks at the front and a preload-adjustable rear monoshock at the rear. Braking performance is handled by premium NISSIN hardware. The front features twin 296mm discs paired with 4-piston radial mount calipers, while the rear uses a 240mm single disc with a single piston caliper. Dual-channel ABS comes standard, enhancing braking confidence. Weighing 187 kilograms wet, the CB400 promises manageable handling for urban riding, while remaining stable and confidence-inspiring on winding roads and highways. Despite its retro-inspired appearance, the new CB400 Super 4 is packed with modern features. It comes equipped with a 5-inch TFT instrument display featuring Honda RoadSync connectivity, allowing riders to access smartphone functions while on the move. Honda has also included multiple riding modes, with 3 preset modes offering different combinations of engine output, traction control, and engine braking. In addition, 2 fully customizable user modes allow riders to tailor the motorcycle's performance characteristics to suit their individual riding preferences. A USB Type-C charging port is also provided as standard for added convenience. Honda has also ensured that the CB400 Super 4 remains practical for everyday use. The motorcycle is fitted with a 15-liter fuel tank, offering a useful riding range. Its 780mm seat height makes it accessible to a wide range of riders, while the upright riding position is expected to deliver excellent comfort during longer journeys. The new CB400 Super 4 will be offered in 4 striking color options: Wolf Silver Metallic, Matte Ballistic Black Metallic, Ross White, and Candy Chromosphere Red. Each finish complements the motorcycle's timeless design, which successfully combines classic Super 4 styling cues with contemporary detailing. With the launch of the new CB400 Super 4, Honda has breathed new life into one of its most beloved motorcycles. By combining a characterful inline 4 engine with advanced electronics, premium chassis components, and everyday practicality, the new model offers an appealing package for riders seeking both nostalgia and modern performance.